Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to review the rules of the trigonometry unit. On the screen, you guys can see a right triangle. I'll pick an angle and call it x. Now, before we find x, let's go over the words that are used to describe the sides of right triangles. The name of the longest side, we call this the hypotenuse. It is always on the other side of the right angle. The other side that is in contact with the angle but that is not the hypotenuse is called the adjacent side. And the side of opposite of x is literally called the opposite side. The opposite side does not touch x. So now that we know the sides, let's talk about three trigonometry ratios: sine, cosine, and tangent ratios. Sine x is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. And the tangent is equal to opposite over adjacent. An easy way to memorize these ratios is to remember the acronyms SO, CA, TOA. Now we know the ratios. Let's look at an example. Here is a right triangle. The hypotenuse is 5 meters and the opposite side is 3 meters long. We don't know the length of the adjacent side, but that's okay because we can use the sine ratio, which does not need an adjacent side. I will now substitute the hypotenuse and the opposite by these numbers. Therefore, sine x is equal to 3 over 5. So there is our ratio, but we are not done yet because we need to find the angle. To find the angle, you need to use inverse sine. Use the button that has sine to the power of -1 on your calculator and place the value of the ratio to find x. When I round the answer to the nearest tenth, the angle equals to 36.9 degrees. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you now understand the three trigonometry ratios and how to use them to find any angle of a right triangle.